YouTube, thanks for watching. Know you're subscribing and all of that shit. This video is my tutorial on how to use one of these little Viking bead on your beard. How to install it. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just kind of going to give you a little tutorial on how I do it. Hopefully it helps a few people out. I know I struggled with this at first. There was a few times where I just wasn't getting it, and it really pissed me off. I found one video on YouTube that he described it real well. He used floss to wrap it up, you know, to make it tight. I use these bands, right? Little black bands just to tie it up. It's totally on you how you do it. This is just my method. So usually I'd get me brush, comb it through just a little bit, not too much, you know. It's not like I've got a big beard. You don't need that much brushing, but just enough to kind of straighten it. I use this as me wax or balm. I use this in the morning, and I tend to use like an oil at night, you know, just to moisturize it. So after you put your balm in, you know, and strain it out a little bit, just pinch it like this, wrap it up as tight as you can. On this upper band, this first one, you know, I use a fresh band every time, just because it needs to be as tight as possible. As the further you get up the beard, like going this way, the thicker it gets, right? So you need it to be tight in order for this bead to be put on. And then I use an older band, just so I'm not burning through my inventory, just to wrap the bottom up, right? Wrap it all the way down. Yeah. So you've got it like this. It don't really matter if it's too straight right now, you know, you fix that when you put your bead on. Pull this band kind of down to the tip, so it's easy to put the tip of the beard through the band, through the bead. And then this part's pretty easy, right? You just guard it up, and on it goes. Take these off, put it in the recycle pile, and before you know it, you got a Last Kingdom beard. That looks badass. So there you go, there you have it. Feel free to comment if you got any questions or anything like that, but this is a pretty fucking simple video, so if you have got a question, then it's probably a stupid one. Cheers.